Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your pet's insurance on Rover. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and provide proof of insurance for your pet on Rover. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Rover. Next, click on Your Pets in the bottom hand corner. Afterwards, click on the pet which you want to go ahead and add insurance for. So we're going to take my dog here, Bailey. Then go ahead and click on Edit Profile on the middle hand side. Then scroll all the way down until you find Pet Insurance Provider. So select the provider by clicking on the drop-down menu, and then you can go ahead and select which pet insurance you want to go ahead and add. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your pet insurance on Rover. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.